Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be super fun as I am going to share all my perfume and body mist collection which I use. As you can see that this is my collection and I do not have a very big collection. I have a decent and a little one collection, but I will share all what I have with you, from where I got, how much I like that product and everything. So if you want to know more, then stay tuned. So starting with the most costly, the most luxurious perfume which I have, this is by Calvin Klein, and you can see the bottle. This is such a beautiful and luxurious bottle, and the fragrance is also very beautiful. You get this for around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees Indian currency, and I got this from the US. So this is a very nice luxurious perfume. I use this for special occasions only, not for daily use. This is very little sweet and flory and a very luxurious party wear type of smell. Sorry, I can't explain the perfume very nicely, the notes, the exact notes, but this one you will definitely love. This is a very nice perfume, very feminine type of perfume. So now these two perfumes, these are from Bath and Body Works. These two are from my older collection. I have this for now so many years. The time that Bath and Body Works was not launched in India also. These two also I got from the US only, and I don't know whether these perfumes are available in India or not. So this is the signature collection called Moonlight Path. You can see that the covering is so old type of right now, and this is the Sweet Pea collection, and this is not a UDP, this is a UDT, UD toiletry. This is not a perfume, and I love this so much that I have actually finished half of the bottle. Let me show you the inside. So these are the two bottles from the Bath and Body Works. So this is the Moonlight Path. You can see that I have used this much of this product, and this one I have used almost half of the perfume. This is not a perfume, this is a UDT as I said, and this one I love so much, so much. This is a very nice sweet fragrance, just sweet pea, very fresh and very apt for summer season. This is a very nice, I just love this. And this one is also somewhat I use for party wear, not for a daily wear, but this one I use on a daily basis. In summers I just use this, I love this one. But this is a more party wear type, not an everyday wear type, but both of these are very nice perfumes. So this fourth one is from Skin by Titan, and it is called Sheer. This is a woman UDP, UD perfume, and this is the bottle of this. And this perfume, this is very fresh type of feeling it gives. I just love this. I wear this on a daily basis. If I have to use a perfume on a daily basis, day to day life, then I use this one only. It is not too strong, but little strong than the other perfumes what I showed you, my earlier collection. This is little strong, but this is very fresh type of perfume, very fresh feeling. You will instant freshness you will get after you use this. So I just love this on a daily everyday basis. Now these are two mini perfumes by Nykaa. The first one is Joy de Vivre and the second one is Apis. I have made a video on this, so if you want you can check the video on this perfume. And this Apis one, I love it so much that I have almost finished this. This one I will highly recommend you. This I will definitely repurchase this. I just love this perfume. And this one, the Joy de Vivre, this is also good. This is not a bad one, but I love this a piece much more than this, so I have not used this much, but I have used this completely, almost half of the bottle I have used, and I will definitely repurchase this. So this is one of my favorite perfumes which I use on a day to day everyday basis. So these two are from Nykaa. And now these are two high-end perfumes which I have in mini version. Actually, I had a set in which around 5 to 6 mini versions of the high-end brand perfumes were there. I have used all of them, but these two are left with me. So this is from Michael Kors and this is from Givenchy. This is called Dahlia Divine and this is called Sexy Amber. So these are two mini perfumes and I have not used because I just love this bottle. These are so many, I just love to keep them in my purse, in my bags, but I have not used these perfumes because they're so cute little babies type of miniature set. Yes. Now, these are two body mist from the Body Shop. This is the Satsuma one and this is the Moringa one. The Satsuma one is the latest introduction in my collection. This is the latest entry. And this Moringa one, I have made a separate video on this. If you want, you can go and check out this video. And on the Satsuma one, I will definitely make a review video of this. And this Satsuma one is very nice. It is very apt for summers, very nice. If you like fruity fragrance, then you can definitely go for this. And this Moringa one is also very nice. I love using both this. When I am at home, I use both these body mists. So I use them every day when I am at home, or even if I go out on a shopping or something, I just use this body mists. Whenever I'm not using perfume, I'm using any one of this. And now this is by Nykaa Wanderlust Collection Hawaiian Jasmine. This is a body mist, but this body mist is actually too strong for me. For my liking, it's very strong fragrance, so I do not like it much. So I have not used it much, but I have purchased it, so I will definitely use this up. But this is the least favorite of mine in my whole collection. So now there are two different things. This is the Dio, this is called Engage Dio, and this is the yellow bottle, and this is the only Dio which I use. This one I am using for the past 7 to 8 years, I think, and this is the only Dio which I buy. I do not buy any other Dio. If I have to buy a Dio, then this is the only Dio which I buy. And this one, I just like this, love this. And this is the roll on Dio milk. I have made a separate video on this. This is by Nivea. If you want, you can definitely check out the video on this. This is also a very nice product. These two I just love. I use them on a daily basis. So this was the video, guys. Hope you liked this video and this video was helpful to you. And if you did like, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.